scorers. Now starting their display with formation aerobatics, you can see the girls on the wing. They're pulling up now. Martin Harrington and Dave Farrell, the pilots, in a nice formation loop. Just imagine being on top of the wing, just strapped to as the aircraft loops below. The aircraft are Boeing Stearman, used by the US Air Force as the Boeing Cadet, as a training aircraft, and still in use in air shows all around the world because it has such a presence with its big size for a display aircraft and the noise of that Pratt & Whitney engine. This is an advanced engine which develops around 450 horsepower. So, for example, that's more than twice the horsepower of the Grob Tutor we saw earlier on. But this aircraft, with its biplane structure, is a lot more draggy. Can you see the girls with one leg raised at 45 degrees and waving away for all their worth? I hope you were waving back to them. The girls are actually mounted on what's called a swivelling rig. So, unlike the wing walkers of the 1920s who literally clambered around the wings freestyle, the girls aren't allowed to do that. They have to be tethered to the aircraft with a safety strap. So they have the swiveling rig that allows them to perform their own acrobatics on top of the wing while the pilots perform aerobatics in the aircraft. So keep your eye on what the girls are doing. I've got some binoculars here. I'll try and keep you advised of what I can see because they really do perform all sorts of manoeuvres there. You see now they're upside down. They're actually upside down, legs in the air. Well, one leg pointing straight up, the other one in a very elegant fold, and still waving away as well. And as if that wasn't amazing enough, later on the girls will actually climb down from the rig and sit on the leading edge of the wing, just a few feet away from that propeller, and then climb back up and climb down into the cockpit behind the wing. So if there are any gymnasts or dancers out there who also like to climb, the team is based at Renton, Gloucestershire. It's a very coveted position, but I'm sure they'd welcome any approaches. Through the smoke now, don't worry, that's not the weather, that's just the smoke from the tube.